makers in the house. I just want to give a quick shout out to all the crews that just danced before us. They were amazing. Please give it up for them. They blew me away. It's not easy going last, but we're going to give our best. We love to do this. We just want to have fun. I want to give a quick shout out to my man Roland, who helped us out. My man Skillroy. Give it up for Mox, Big Mox in the house, MC. Our sponsor, Broke To Gear, hooked us up at the last minute. I hope you all enjoy our performance. Thank you very much. We're here to rep.
See what you did? You let him speak, Pipeline. Don't stand there speechless now.
Give it up, make some noise! Everyone,